Okay, the permutation formula is equal to n factorial over the quantity of n minus r factorial. Okay, so let's have an example number 1. So number 1, we have 12. The permutation of 12 taken 3 at a time. So therefore, our n here is 12. So we have 12 factorial over, okay, again we have the n is 12, r is 3. So therefore we have 12 minus 3 factorial. And then we subtract 12 factorial over 9 factorial. Okay, so let's simplify. 12 factorial is equivalent to 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, all over the 9 factorial. We have 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so 1 divided by 1 is 1, or we can cancel 1. 2 divided by 2 is 2, or 1, so we can cancel 2. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so cancel. Again, cancel, same with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, cancel, and cancel. So we have now the permutation of 12 times 11 times 10. So 12 times 10 is 120. 120 times 11 is, okay, the answer is 1320 ways. So let's have another solution. We have that permutation of 12 taken 3 at a time. Okay, so I think ito yung pinakamadali kung paano kukunin permutations. So ito yung magsasabi, yung 3 yung magsasabi kung hanggang saan mo siya ihinto. Okay, so mag-start tayo sa 12. So since 3 yan, times natin siya pababa from 12. Magbibilang tayo hanggang 3. So 12 times 11 times 10. So since 3 yan, 1, 2, 3. So hanggang dyan lang natin siya ita-times. Okay. So 12 times 11 times 10 is equal to 1,320. Same with the first solution. Okay, let's find the permutation of 12 objects taken 3 at a time over 5 factorial. So, gagamitin natin yung pinakasimpleng paraan. Okay. Mag-i-start tayo sa 12. So, we have 12 times 11 times 10. Okay, mag-e-end tayo sa 10. Bakit? Kasi, we have 3 here. So, meaning, 3 beses lang natin siya ita-times pababa. 1, 2, 3. Ayan lang siya. And then, if we have 5 factorial over 5 factorial, that is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay. So, let's cancel out or divide in simple way. So, let's have 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. So, we can cancel or we can divide it by 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1, or simply we can cancel 10. The next we have 4 and 3. So if we multiply 4 and 3, that is 12. So we have 12 divided by 12 is 1, or we can cancel 12. Then we have 11 over 1. So 11 divided by 1 is equal to 11. So therefore, the answer of the permutation of 12 objects taken 3 at a time over 5 factorial is equal to 11. Okay, number 2 example is the permutation of 10 objects taken 4 at a time over 4 factorial. Okay, so let's start with 10. Since ito is 4, so ita times natin from 10 pababa 4 times. So 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. Bakit tayo nag-end ng 7? Dahil ito is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then we have 4 factorial. So 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So we're going to divide. Since we have 4 and 2, so 4 times 2 is 8. So since we have 8 here, 8 divided by 8 is 1, or we can cancel 8. Another thing, we have 3. 3 times 1 is 3. So if we divide 3 by 9, 9 divided by 3, the answer is 3. So we can cancel 3 here, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So we can cancel out 9. Then we have 3. Okay. Again, we're going to rewrite 10 times 3 times 7. Okay. Then now we have 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 3 is 30. Times 7, the answer is 210. Okay, so let's have number 3 example. The permutation of 10 objects taken 6 at a time over 6 factorial. So now let's start with 10. Dahil 6 yan, magkakount tayo ng 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So times natin mula sa 10 pababa. So 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5. So let's end with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because it is taken 6 at a time. Okay, over 6 factorial. So we have 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, so in this example, we're going to cancel out or divide. Okay, so we can cancel here 6. Ayan. Also, you can cancel 5. And then we have another 1. 4 times 2 is 8. So if we divide 8 divided by 8, answer is 1. So we can cancel 8. Then 3 times 1 is 3. So it is possible to divide it by 9. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. So we can cancel 3 and then slash 9. We change it by 3. Because 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Okay. Then we're going to write 10 times 3 times 7. So 10 times 3 equals 30 times 7 equals 210. Okay, so let's have number 4. The permutation of 14 objects taken 5 at a time over the permutation of 9 objects taken 5 at a time. Okay, so mag-i-start tayo ng 14. Ta-times natin siya ng 5 beses pababa because it is 5. So 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 times 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, over the denominator, the permutation of 9 objects taken 5 at a time. So start tayo sa 9. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So, mag-end tayo sa 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kasi 5 yun. Okay, so let's divide. So, in this example, we can cancel, or not cancel. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So, therefore, 10 divided by 5 is 2. So, we change 10 by 2. Next, we have 6. So, it is possible to divide it by 12. Okay, 12 divided by 6 is 2. So, we can cancel 6. And then, we have now 2. Next, we have 7. Ayan. So, in this example, we have 14 divided by 7 equals 2. So, we can cancel 7, or 14 divided 7, 14 divided by 7 is 2. So, we change 14 by 2. Okay, next, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. So, 8 divided by 8 is 1, or we can cancel. And then, now we have 13 and 11 sa numerator, 9 sa denominator. So, we cannot divide 9 by 13. And also, we can't divide it by 11. So, therefore, we have 13 times 11 over 9. Okay? And then 13 times 11 is 143 over 9. 143 divided by 9. So, therefore, the final answer is 143 over 9, or it is equivalent to 15 8 over 9. Okay, so let's have number 5. In this example, we have the permutation of 10 taken 8 at a time over the permutation of 10 taken 4 at a time multiplied by the permutation of 10 taken 2 at a time. Okay, so let's have first the permutations of the numerator. We have 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 3. Okay, dapat 8 kasi 8 yun. Then, we have 10. The permutation of 10 taken 4 at a time. So, therefore, we have 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. Okay, let's end with 7. Kasi 4 yun. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's have another one. 10 times 9. 1, 2. Kasi 2 yun. Okay, so now we have the cancellation or divide. So, we can cancel 10, 9, 8, 7. What else? Okay, so let's have 5. Lowest term, 5 and 10. So, we can cancel 5 here. Then, we have 2. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So, we have 2 here. The next, we have 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, I can cancel 3. Then, we have 3. So, we have now 6 times 4 over 2 times 3. Okay, so in this example, we can cancel 2 and 3 is 6. Can cancel 6. Then the answer is 4.